back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
The flag man giving the field the one-to-go signals. We get ready to go green flag racing as they'll line up behind Carver and Shelton. Bumper to bumper and door to door. 15 cars starting. It's the largest field so far for the Crown Vic Series. Great to see this series continue to grow. Field tracking bumper to bumper and door to door behind Shelton and Carver as they make their way down the backstretch toward 3 and 4 in the Ace bookkeeping start box. And the green flag waves. Up front, the battle is between Carver and Shelton as the race is on. Carver and Shelton have contact there up front, and it's Shelton who is person that doesn't come out well on that one. Carver followed by Shelton and Littrell. Contact mid-pack as they're 3 wide as they come out of turn number 2. And we've got one spinning in the backstretch, number 45 of Weston Osborne spinning in the backstretch as we've got a caution on the speedway. And the green flag waves, and it's Carver, Shelton, and Littrell up front as the race is on. Now Littrell looking underneath Shelton for second as they go down the back stretch, moves back to third. And 45 Western Osborne makes a little contact in the rear of the field. Carver. And we got one going off in the back of the field, 22S leading the raceway, as it's Carver, Shelton, and Littrell up front.
Don't spin. Don't do it. I don't know who's in that 9 car.
Carver followed by Shelton and Littrell up front as they start to make their way through lap traffic. As they make their way through lap traffic, that number 2E of Carver now feeling some pressure from Shelton as we've got a caution on the speedway. And the green flag waves. Up front, it's Carver, Shelton, and Littrell. Carver feeling some pressure from Shelton as he got a little bump coming out of the exit of turn number 2, but Shelton led off and let him get that car straightened back up. As they start to make their way through lap traffic, it's Carver, Shelton, and Littrell. As they come to the halfway point, it is Carver out front, followed by Shelton and Littrell. Once again, cutting their way through lap traffic as they go around that number 222 car that's running slow in the backstretch. But it's Carver, Shelton, and Littrell able to stay in the hunt. And once again, Shelton making a big charge and bumping that rear deck lid of that 2 of Carver as you've got, looks like, car going off the raceway. Number 2, Carver, followed by Shelton and Littrell.
Don't do that.
Oh, we got a spin on the front stretch. That number 45 of Weston Osborne going around in the front stretch as we've got a caution on the speedway. And the green flag waves for Carver, Shelton, and Littrell up front. Now Hall in fourth. Hall makes a big charge down into the turn for third as he's door to door with Littrell. Now back to fourth. As they come past the flag stand, it is Carver followed by Shelton and Littrell as we got a car around the number X spinning in the exit of turn number 4, collecting that tire down in the infield as we've got a caution on the speedway.
And here comes.
And it's a green flag start. Up front it's Carver, followed by Shelton. Now Littrell and Hall battling for third behind them. At the flag stand it's Carver, followed by Shelton and Littrell. And we've got a caution on the speedway as the number 11 gets sideways in the middle of turn number 1 and 2. And looks like the number 11 is going to take the car off the speedway. And the green flag waves and the race is on. And we've got a caution on the speedway as the number 71 Hall goes around. Uh-oh. This. And once again, the caution light is out as they track behind Carver as they come back around to the flag stand for a green flag start. That ace bookkeeping start box. And the green flag waves, and once again the race is on. It's Carver, Shelton, and Littrell up front. We've got looks like somebody might have lost a tire on the back stretch there as we've got something rolling down the back stretch. And we got a caution on the speedway. As the green flag waves, Carver out front, followed by Shelton and Littrell. As they come to the white flag, it's the number 2 of Carver out front, followed by Shelton and Littrell. Down the back stretch for the final time with about a 2-car length lead is the 2E of Carver. As they come to the checkered flag, it's Carver, your winner, followed by Shelton and Littrell. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to your winner. Driving the number 2E from West Portsmouth, Ohio, Brandon Carver. Congratulations to that 2E team of Brandon Carver as he makes his way to that crazy Lady Cabins winner's circle. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to tonight's feature winner in the Crown Vixies, Brandon Carver. Congratulations to that 2E of Brandon Carver, winner of tonight's Crown Vic feature. So he makes the celebration in the Crazy Lady Cabins winner's circle. Looks like he's got a trophy girl there to help him celebrate. Stick around, folks. Fireworks coming up.